In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync time on Microsoft Authenticator. If you've ever typed in a code that looked correct but still got denied, you're probably running into a simple clock issue. Microsoft Authenticator uses time-based one-time passwords, which refresh every 30 seconds. If your phone's clock is even a few seconds off from the server, those codes can fail. The good news is you can fix this in a minute or two. First, on Android, you can correct time directly inside the Microsoft Authenticator app. Open Microsoft Authenticator, tap the three dots in the top right to open the menu, choose Settings, then find Time Correction for codes. Tap Sync Now. This forces the app to align its internal clock with the correct server time so your 2FA codes match what the service expects. It's quick, safe, and doesn't change any of your accounts. Next, make sure your phone itself is keeping accurate time. This is the most important fix because every code is generated from your device's system clock. On Android, open Settings, go to System, then Date and Time, and turn on Automatic Date and Time as well as Automatic Time Zone. On iPhone, use your phone's date and time settings and ensure the time and time zone are set automatically. Automatic mode pulls trusted time from your carrier or the internet, prevents drift, and handles time zone changes when you travel. If everything is already set to automatic but codes still fail, do a quick resync. Turn the Set Automatically option off, wait about 5 seconds, and then turn it back on. This simple toggle refreshes the time source and clears out minor clock skew that can linger after updates, reboots, or airplane mode. One important clarification that trips people up: Microsoft Authenticator codes don't sync between devices. Each phone generates its own codes locally based on its own clock. That means fixing the time on the device you're using is what fixes your login issues. If you switch phones, each phone has to have accurate time independently. After you've synced in the app and confirmed your device is set to automatic time and time zone, try your code again. You should see it work right away. Keeping automatic time on prevents this problem from coming back, so you can sign in confidently without guessing why a perfectly typed code doesn't pass.